He was a white police officer. Every day he saw crime, pain, broken lives, but deep inside he felt very, very empty. And one day during his duty, he walked into mosque and he expected troubles and fights from Muslims, but instead he found peace. People were standing together, rich, poor, black, white, bowing to the same God, and that was a very moment that touched his heart. He kept coming back again and again, asking questions, searching for answers, and then finally one day, with tears in his eyes, he said Shahada and became Muslim. Now, he still wears his uniform, still protects the people, but this time with faith and Allah in his heart. Because sometimes guidance comes when you least expect it. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala bless and forgive all his sins. Ameen.
عبده ورسوله تكبير تكبير تكبير